Okay. Subject is a reinforced concrete structure. A reinforced concrete structures. Chapter is design of columns. Subtopic determination of strength of axially loaded short columns. Determination of strength of axially loaded short column. Determination of strength of axially loaded short columns. On completion of this period, you will be able to solve the problems on determination of strength of rectangular column. Note down. Determination of strength of rectangular column. Or determination of strength of rectangular column. Determination strength of square column. Determination of strength of square columns. Determination of strength of square column. And next, determination of strength of circular column. Determination of strength of circular column. Note down. A rectangular column, square column, circular column. Rectangular columns, square columns, and circular columns. Determination of strength of rectangular columns. Determination strength of square columns. Determination strength of circular columns. Definition of a column. Various types of columns depending on factors. Various types of columns depending on factors. Differentiation between the columns. Various end conditions. Slenderness ratio of column. Note down. Definition of column. Various types of columns depending on factors. Various types of columns depending on the factors. Differentiation between the columns. Differentiation between the columns. Various end conditions. Various end conditions. Slenderness ratio of column. Slenderness ratio of column. Slenderness ratio of column. Note down. Slenderness ratio of column. Various end conditions. Differentiation between the columns. Various types of column depending on factors. Definition of columns. Calculation of strength of columns. Check the given column, short column or long column. Long column is another name is slender column. Short column or long column. Long column another name is a slender column. Slenderness ratio lambda more than 12 it is known as a long column. Slenderness ratio less than 12 it is a short column. Less than 12 is short column, more than 12 is long column. Note down. Slenderness ratio lambda is more than 12, it is long column. Slenderness ratio less than or equal to 12, it is a short column. Minimum eccentricity E minimum less than or equal to L by 500 plus D by 30 over R 0.05 capital D. Minimum eccentricity less than L by 500 plus D by 30 over R 0.05 capital D. Note down. Minimum eccentricity. Transverse reinforcement, transverse reinforcement, lateral ties or helical reinforcement. Transverse reinforcement, that is lateral ties or helical reinforcement. Transverse reinforcement, lateral ties or helical reinforcement. Axial load of short column, axially load of short column. P is equal to 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FY ASC. 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FY ASC. Axially loaded short column. Strength of axially loaded short column PU is equal to 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FY ASC. This formula available in the code also. Where PU factored axial load, factored axial load PU. AC net area of concrete cross section. Net area of the concrete cross section must be is equal to AC is equal to area of the concrete AG minus ASC. AG minus AC. AG means gross area, AST means area of the steel. No doubt. AG gross area of the concrete cross section. Gross area of concrete cross section. A total area of the longitudinal reinforcement. Total area of longitudinal reinforcement. Total area of longitudinal reinforcement. Note down. Axially loaded short column P is equal to 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FI AC, where P is equal to factored axial load. AC, net area of the concrete cross section. AC is equal to AG minus ASC. AG, gross area of the concrete cross section. ASC, total area of longitudinal reinforcement. Total area of longitudinal reinforcement. Note down. FCK, characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Note down. Characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Total area of longitudinal reinforcement. ASC, FCK, characteristic compressive strength of concrete. Characteristic compressive strength of concrete. FI, yield strength of steel. FI, yield strength of steel. Go for another slide. Problem under it. What is the problem? A rectangular RCC column, reinforced concrete column. A rectangular RCC column of 350 mm into 250 mm size. 350 mm into 250 mm size. A rectangular RCC column of 350 mm into 250 mm size. Note down. Is reinforced with 6 bars of 16 mm dia. Is reinforced with 6 bars of 16 mm dia. Is reinforced with 6 bars of 16 mm dia. Full stop. FE 415 grade steel bars. FE 415 grade steel bars. Full stop. M20 concrete is used. M20 concrete is used. M20 concrete is used. M20 concrete is used. Full stop. The effective length of column is 2.8 meters. The effective length of column is 2.8 meters. The effective length of column is 2.8 meters, full stop. Determine the maximum permissible axial load on the column. Determine the maximum permissible axial load on the column. Note down the problem. Column rectangular, size 350 into 250 mm, longitudinal bar 6 number 16 mm dia. Clear cover is not given, you have to take from the code. Clear cover 40 mm. Effective length of the column 2.8 meters, 2800 mm, converted into mm. 350 into 250 column figure, that is 6 bars. This is cross section. Note down. Size, column shape rectangle, size 350 into 250, longitudinal bars 6 number 16 mm dia, clear cover 40 mm. Effective length of the column 2.8 meters, converted into mm, is equal to 2800 mm. That is the figure. Rectangular column cross section figure 350 into 250 mm column size. 6 bars are shown inside. 6 bars. Grade of concrete M20 FCK 20 newtons per mm square. Grade of steel Fe 415 Fy is equal to 415 newtons per mm square. Gross cross sectional area of the column AG, B into D. B is equal to 350, D is equal to 250, 87500 mm square. Gross area of the column cross section AG. Column size 350 into 250. Area is equal to 350 into rectangular column B into D. 350 into 250 is equal to 87,500 mm square. Total area of reinforcement ASC. Total area of reinforcement ASC. Number of bars into area of 1 bar. Number of bars into area of 1 bar. Six into pi by 4 into 16 square is equal to 1206.14 mm square. Number of bars into area of the 1 bar. Number of bars 6, area of the 1 bar, pi by 4 into d square. Total area 1206.14 mm square. Total area of the reinforcement ASC. Next area, net area of the column cross section AC, net area of the column cross section AC is equal to AG minus ASC. AG minus ASC 87,500 minus 1206.14 is equal to 86293.86 mm square. 86293.86 mm square. 86293.86 mm square. Add 6293.86 mm square. Effective length of column 2.8 meters is equal to 2800. Slenderness ratio lambda L by least effective length by least lateral dimension, L by D ratio. Effective length by least lateral dimension 2800, lead ratio dimension 250, that is less than 12. The given column is a short column, hence short column. Slenderness ratio lambda is equal to effective length by least lateral dimension. The column size 350 into 250. 250 is the least lateral dimension, that is 2800 by 250 is equal to 11.2, less than 12. Hence the column, given column is a short column. No doubt. Strength of column P is equal to 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FI ASC. 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FI ASC. 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FI ASC. Strength of column or factor load, nothing but a strength of column. Note down formula: 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FI ASC. Substitute the values. Substitute the values. .4 FCK 20, AC 86293.3 plus 0.67 FI 415 1206.14, that is equal to 1025714.11 newtons, converted to kilonewtons. 1025.71 kilonewtons. 1025.71 kilonewtons. Strength of column 1025.71 kilonewtons. Strength of column 1025.71 kilonewtons. Another problem. A short column, short is mentioned, a short column 400 into 400 mm size square column is reinforced with a short column 400 into 400 mm is reinforced with 4 bars of 25 mm dia. Is reinforced with 4 bars of 25 mm dia. Full stop. Is reinforced with 4 bars of 25 mm dia. Full stop. The column is 5 meters long with both ends. The column is 5 meters long. Both ends effectively held in position, written in direction at both ends. Effectively held in position and restrained in direction. Column is 5 meters long with both ends effectively held in position and restrained in direction. Find the axial factor load the column can carry. Find the axial factor load the column can carry. The material used is M20 concrete and HYSD steel. That is Fe415. Find the axial factor load the column can carry. Find the axial factor load the column can carry. The material used are M20 concrete and HYSD steel. B, D, effectively held in position is that is L effective length is equal to L by 2, both ends are fixed condition. 2.5 meters, 2500 mm. Slenderness L effective least lateral dimension 25 and 4 and 6.25 less than 12. The given column is a short column. Already short is mentioned in the problem. This will be proved. Column is a short column, note down. Area of the steel 4 bars of 25 mm dia, 4 into 5 by 4, 25 square. 1963.5 mm square. Area of the steel ASC. Now down. Area of the concrete AC is equal to AG minus ASC. AG is equal to 400 into 400 AC. 1963.5 is equal to 158035.5 mm square. Area of the concrete. Area of the concrete is equal to gross area minus area of the longitudinal steel. AG minus ASC. Factor load 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FI ASC. 0.4 FCK 20 AC 158036.5 plus 0.67 FI 415. HYSD marks. HYSD means FI 415 ASC 1963.5 is equal to 1810.24 into 10 cube newtons converted into kilonewtons. 1810.24 kilonewtons. Factor load. Problem 3. Write a problem. A circular column of 300 mm diameter. A circular column of 300 mm diameter is reinforced with 8 numbers of 16 mm dia longitudinal bars. 8 numbers of 16 mm dia longitudinal bars of Fe415 grade. Fe415 grade steel and 8 mm dia circular rings. Helical ring. 8 mm dia circular rings at 250 mm pitch. 8 mm dia circular rings at 250 mm pitch. Full stop. The length of the column is 4 meters. The length of the column is 4 meters. It is effectively held in position at both ends It is effectively held in position at both ends and restrained against direction at one end only. And restrained against direction at one end only. It is effectively held in position at both ends and restrained against direction at one end only. Full stop. The concrete is M20 grade. The concrete is M20 grade. Full stop. Determine the safe compressive load. Determine the safe compressive load. That could be applied on this column. That could be applied on this column, excluding sulfate. The safe compressive load that could be applied on the column, excluding its sulfate. Excluding its sulfate. Note down. That is effectively held in position at both ends and restrained one end. One end is fixed, other end is hinged. L is L effective is equal to L by 2. That is a column 300 mm dia. That is the 8 number 16 mm. The 8 mm dia with 250 mm center pitch. Circular column, diameter 300 mm. Longitudinal bars 8 number 16 mm dia. Circular ties, lateral ties. 8 mm dia, 250 mm center to center. Yield strength of steel 415 mm square. Note down. FCK, characteristic strength of concrete 20 newtons per mm square. That is M20 mix. Characteristic strength of concrete M20 20 newtons per mm square. Gross area of the concrete AG, circular column, pi by 4 into d square, 70714.29 mm square, dia 300 mm, pi by 4 into 300 square is equal to 70714.29 mm square. Total area of the longitudinal bars, AAC, number of bars into area of the one bar, 8 number of n into pi by 4 into d square, n is 8, pi by 4 into dia 16 square, 1609.14 mm square, ASC, 1609.14 mm square, ASC. Area of the concrete, AC, area of the concrete, AC is equal to AG minus ASC. 70714.29 AG minus 1609.14 ASC is equal to 69105.15 69105.15 mm square, 69105.15 mm square. Effective length of the column support L is equal to 4 meters, 4000 mm. Effective length push both ends and distance direction one end only. L effective is equal to 0.8 times L. In case of strength of material L by root 2, it is a 0.8 times L. So 0.8 into 4000, 3200 mm. Slenderness ratio 3200 by 300 mm dia, 10.67 less than 12. Hence the given column is a short column. Hence the given column is a short column. Strength of column 0.4 FCK AC plus 0.67 FI ASC. That is 0.4 into 20 FCK AC 6910.15 plus 0.67 FI 415 into 1609.14 ASC. That is equal to 1,00262.57 newtons. That is 1000.26 kilonewtons. 1000.626 kilonewtons. Note down. PU factored axial load, design load, working load into partial safety factor. PU is equal to P into partial safety factor. 1000.26 is equal to P into 1.5. P is equal to safe load 1000.26 by 1.5. 666.84 kilonewtons. 666 safe load, not factor load, not design load. Safe load 66 666.84 kilonewtons. Note down. P is equal to PA plus P sulfate, P actual plus P sulfate. PA is equal to apply load on the column. PA is apply load on the column. PS sulfate of the column. Volume of column into density of material. Sulfate is equal to volume of the column into density of the material. Volume area into length into density of material area pi by 4 into 5 by 4 into d square, length into gamma m, pi by 4 into pi into 0.3 whole square by 4, area in meter square, length of the column is 4 meters and actual length, not effective length, into 25, 7.07 kilonewtons. PS is equal to 7.07 kilonewtons. P actual is equal to P minus PS. 666.84 minus 7.07. 659.77 kilonewtons. 659.77 kilonewtons. Note down. Actual load on the column. Safe compressive load on the column applied on the column. Safe compressive load that will be applied on the column 659.77 kilonewtons. Determine axially loaded columns.